Now in 2024, when Modi ji has got 248 seats, when other political parties, Chandrababu Naidu, and I am reading in newspaper.
Concluding.
Sir,
Kharge ji,
please.
Honorable former Prime Minister is concluding. Please, sir.
Right. Chandrababu Naidu wants to become vice chairman. Chandrababu Naidu wants to become the vice chairman or chairman of the committee formed by all NDA parties. Modi ji has said no. Nothing to do. Chandrababu Naidu, who supports this government, which is MPs, 26 MPs, or I don't know, he wants to become the chairman. Modi ji has not agreed. He knows how to run the administration. He has got experience as Prime Minister, as Chief Minister, and he is the only tallest leader in this country who can run the country without any oscillation or
Thank you,
any
sir.
type of.
Thank you.
Sir, please, if you tell truth, you should take it. If you attack me, I welcome. If I tell any untruth, please. Sir, here, the President of India has delivered the speech. In her speech, sir, I have gone through several points. Please, sir. Now, I don't want to now.
Sir, 21 minutes now. Okay,
Sir,
please.
the government, what they have said is, the highest priority is given to the poor, middle class, youth, and women. In the second page, the highest priority. Sir, now, to achieve this highest priority, to implement this and to achieve the prospects of these neglected section, it is necessary. It is necessary a stable government, which can run for 5 years. Now, with the support of the regional parties like us, with 305 members, this government will run for 5 years. There is no question of any hesitation. I am not afraid of telling. There is nothing to curry any favor from the Prime Minister. I have not come here in last 10 years. I have not taken any benefit from the Prime Minister or from anybody.
Sir.
You appointed, the Prime Minister appointed my son as the Prime Minister, as Minister. I have not gone to his door.
Sir.
Let me be very plain.
Thank
I
you,
will
sir.
tell it on the floor of the house.
Thank you.
Nothing doing.
Thank you, sir.
I have not even today asked what portfolio, what is, nothing doing. Please, please, I don't want anybody to hurt. I am only telling the truth. Sir, you are also a farmer. I know the community. I gave reservation to the Jat community of Rajasthan. I came to Junjunur. I addressed a public meeting. Sir, Shisha Mola was a minister in my cabinet. He requested me, please help us. We are poor. I went around, I got the reservation. I was there hardly 320 days. Only 320 days. In the short period, I gave the reservation. Sir, Modi ji, in this 22 years as minister, chief minister, as prime minister, how he is running the country, I know. Today, the world has recognized not the question of Devgowda or XYZ. The world has recognized Modi ji is the tallest leader.
Time pass ho gaya. Enough time has been made available. Enough time has been made available to the Honorable former Prime Minister from the ruling party. And they have left enough time is there. The ruling party has 1 hour and 51 minutes left. Honorable former Prime Minister is taking time after due sanction from the ruling party. Please, sir, continue. Sir, continue. No, sir, I have acceded to the request. Sir, please, sir. Honorable former Prime Minister S.D. Devgowda ji. Only what the Honorable former Prime Minister says will go on record.
I can, please, if they don't want, I know, I am only guided by the chair. I am only guided by the chair. And also, I have requested the leader of NDA party, who is the leader of this house. I have requested your good self. The time.
Sir, you are questioning the statement of the chair.
I requested him.
Sir, I plead with you.
Through you, sir, I requested.
This is a very serious aspersion on me.
Sir, some of the programs, what they have, sir, I quote, because it is very difficult for them to swallow it. Page 2, sir. Page 2, 5,036, 5 crores 5 lakhs 36,000. 536 crores rupees have been allocated for this purpose. Pradhan Mantri Ayush Yojana. And the next is 41,000 crores has been dispersed for the farmers already. Sir, 80,000 crores for
जुल्म कर रहे हैं ये punishment
what has been said here, I am telling, sir. It is very difficult for them to swallow. What can I do? What can I do?
Thank you, sir.
And even on
Thank you, इधर बोल रहा हूँ. Thank you. Thank you, इधर बोल रहा हूँ.
education, medical, education, agriculture, irrigation, water, the amount that has been allocated, and I can go on mention what is mentioned in this policy document.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Kharge ji, 240 seats, he cannot give a stable government. That is their argument. In Karnataka, his own party has got 136 seats. How the government is running?
देखिए मैं तो डिबेट करेंगे अरे ऐसे लोग हैं जो
I have got every right. I have got every right to say what has happened. I have not made, sir.
we thought that because
I have got every right.
we supported and we want today
If I use any unparliamentary language, I can sign. I can authenticate. There's nothing to hide. I will authenticate and I will hand over.
Thank you, sir.
I will authenticate and I will hand over. I am not bothered about anybody. Sir, in Karnataka,
हमारे सफर से जब कांग्रेस अच्छी थी बेटा मुख्यमंत्री जब कांग्रेस अच्छी थी सांसद कांग्रेस अच्छी थी
Sir.
Sir, the money that has been earmarked for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, that money has been diverted. And that was used for the election purpose.